Hello everyone, my name is Ijo Hu. Today I'm going to present our final project, Suggestions on Improving San Francisco International Airport Performance. So first, we'll go through the canal model. So for the context of analysis, we are working as a consultants working for the San Francisco airport. So the basic background for airport is they want to be ranked number one in the ACI's Airport Service Quality Survey. So this quality survey provides overall passenger satisfaction scores for airports, and the rankings of scores allow different airports around the world to see where they're standing in the competition and what they should keep or improve to be ranked at the top line. So San Francisco wants to be ranked number one in this survey, so they invite us to know what can be done to improve their rankings. So executive team we're reporting to is CMO, which needs to know what is keeping them from being ranked number one per passengers, and for the CFO, which can allocate different investments to the facilities and restaurant facilities or shopping facilities. And also, it will report to the managers of security and back offices to better supervise their security services and their cleaning services. So for the need is CMO needs a recommendation of what can be done to improve their performance and therefore to improve their rankings in the survey. And the next one is they want to find out what is keeping San Francisco Airport from reaching their number one objectives. They have a distance. They have a distance between the San Francisco Airport with the number one airport. And for the information needs, because from the survey there are in total 20 categories, so they want to know what categories should be fixed based on the ratings of the airport. So next, we give our three frame questions to answer and the vision. So the number one is from 2016 to 2017. What are the three lowest rating factors needs to be improved? So if we want to figure out this, we will use descriptive statistics tactics to figure it out. And the second frame question is from 2016 to 2017. Does Wi-Fi contribute the most in the overall impression of San Francisco Airport, or do other factors create a difference, or do they very significantly influence the overall impression of San Francisco? So we will use the logistics regression analysis. And the number three is from 2016 to 2017. What categories of rating are higher for premium customers compared to non-premium customers? So premium customers is regarded as for customers who have flown from the San Francisco airport in the past 12 months for over 6 times. So we'll use a contingency table and chi-square test because to San Francisco airport, premium customers is a group they want to focus on. So here is our conclusion. So before the conclusion, I will say a little bit about the data cleansing because from the raw data of the 2016 and 2017 customer survey of San Francisco, they have different ratings ranging from 0 to 6. But 0 means blank response, and 6 means have never used or visited or not applicable. So we delete those response of 0 and 6 for ratings. Since we're testing the frequent or premium customers, so we'll include one more variable which is called times flown. So we'll discuss for us to discuss the differences between the premium customers and non-premium customers. So here comes to our conclusion. So the first one is based on the first question. Both in 2016 and 2017, restaurant facilities, shopping facilities, and Wi-Fi are the lowest rating categories. And number two is if the Wi-Fi rating is higher, then the overall impression of San Francisco Airport is higher. And for premium customers and non-premium customers are less satisfied with Wi-Fi, shopping facilities, restroom cleanliness, and overall cleanliness. So here comes to our recommendations. As we talk about, if people have higher rating on Wi-Fi, they will have a higher impression of San Francisco airport as a whole. So Wi-Fi is very important elements to for San Francisco airport to improve their performances. So the first recommendation will be based on the Wi-Fi. So since Wi-Fi was executed poorly and strongly affected customers' choice, so we'll monthly monitor and annual upgrade of Wi-Fi quality and service. And the second one is since the shopping and restaurant facilities are rated low and they are very important to the premium customers. So we'll have higher qualification standards to inspect and select restaurants and stores. And finally, is a cleanliness. So we'll guarantee for every cleaning worker is responsible for the cleanliness of their own specific areas and connect their work to their annual bonus with the airport's overall cleanliness. So the managers should have strengthened their supervision and cleaners work performance, and they're responsible for the cleanliness ratings. So the process for the three frame questions, as we talked about, we'll use the descriptive statistics to for answer the first question, and we'll use the logistic regression analysis to test the relationship between the ratings and the overall impression. And finally, using a contingency table and a chi-square test to run between the differences for premium customers and non-premium customers. So here is our argument one. So we want to know what are the three lowest rating factors. We use a tabular function and jump. And for the data, we use seven rating categories of 2016 and 2017 customer survey data. And by getting their means, we compare the means in 2016 and 2017, and we generate this graph in the following slide, which we can see like in the whole picture the rating is increasing compared to 2016. So every rating factor is getting better in 2017 compared to 2016, but the three lowest rating factors are the same, which are Wi-Fi, restaurant, shopping facilities. So these three factors need to be improved to improve the overall performance. And the second argument is whether we want to know is Wi-Fi rating higher, the overall impression will higher. So we use a fit model function. The X will be the different rating factors and the Y will be the overall impression on San Francisco. So the results are the logistic model is significant with the p-value less than 0.05, and the Wi-Fi has the largest log worth, which means Wi-Fi influence the most to the overall impression. And here are the results, the snapshot. As we can see, the left graph is 2016. Let's look at the Wi-Fi with the log worth equals to 25. So we can know that if Wi-Fi rating higher, then overall impression will be higher. And Wi-Fi is the most important factors for 2 years. And other significant factors for 2016 will be shopping and restaurant facilities, and in 2017 will be restaurant facilities and overall cleanliness by looking at the length of the log worth. And here we said it: shopping, Wi-Fi, overall cleanliness, and restroom cleanliness. So based on that, we get our conclusions. So as we said, Wi-Fi really influence the overall impression. So if Wi-Fi is rated poorly, so Wi-Fi is rated poorly by customers, and it strongly affects customers' over impression. So San Francisco Airport needs to upgrade Wi-Fi services so they can increasing the speed, or they can change the suppliers. And the second conclusions will be the restaurant facilities and shopping facilities are rated poorly, as we can see from the first question. So the premium customers are, and from the third argument is premium customers are not satisfied with them. with the shopping facilities. So San Francisco Airport needs to add more selections of restaurants and stores while improving the customer service. And last but not least is we know premium customers have higher expectation on cleanliness of the airport, and they're not satisfied with the cleanliness of airport and cleanliness of restaurant. So San Francisco Airport should strengthen its supervision of airport cleaning and maintain the high standards of its cleaning service along the year, like maintain the service at a higher standard constantly. So we believe that San Francisco Airport will improve their performance based on our suggestions. Based on our suggestions. So that's all for today's presentation. Thank you.